see you, I wonder it gon' be the last time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time. And I know that I want you so bad. In my head I'm saying, fuck all of that. And I know that I'm saying once that I can't help staying. You keep coming back. I want it away. Oh, you only come and see me after midnight. I want it away. Oh, you only think about me after midnight. You wanna know the reason why we can't be together all the time? Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time. And I know that I want you so bad. In my head I'm saying, fuck all of that. And I know that I'm saying once that I can't help staying. You keep coming back. And I want it away. Oh, you only come and see me after midnight. And I want it away. Oh, you only think about me after midnight. We can't get it together. I can't let you slip away. Get it together. Get it together. Oh, we can't get it together. I can't let you slip away. Get it together. And I want it away. Oh, you only come and see me after midnight. And I want it away. Oh, you only think about me after midnight.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time home with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard to you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard to you, but I'm coming home to you.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me